Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago when I was in school. Well, 35mm reversal film, you can see the perforation here, little holes of the film. Well, touch grainy, but well, this is my subject today, and I have this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used field called Find Edges. Okay, I'm going to use two images. This to making something interesting, hopefully impressive image. Okay, now this time I want to use, well, watercolor image or oil paint image. Well, this tree is pretty nice, especially this pencil drawing type image. Very interesting on this brick wall building rather than this photograph. This pencil drawing type image is more interesting to me. So let's see, if I smudge these images with oil painting like brush texture, then maybe more. Well, let's try something. And also I want to add some greens on the mountains to get some more saturated greens and brick walls. That's okay. In this case though, we see some trees here, even though it's shadow side of the building. Well, watercolor's alright, but well, let's make something oil paint like that. Okay, yeah, let's get started with the oil paint, and I go for the oil paint round first. Well, I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then just keep for base image, turn it off to keep it. Then I'm gonna oil paint on this layer, convert to pixel layer. Then I'm gonna start from sort of a smudging image, so no paint, just texture of the brush. Oops, pretty rough, huh? Well, smaller size, since this texture is pretty much detailed. Well, let's expand. Right, I want to make a bigger canvas size. Change 4000 to 4200. So smudging outside too. So make looks like a oil paint like. This shadow is pretty interesting. Let's see if I put some bluer, dark bluer color inside the shadow, if it's okay, mixing alright. Paint mix 60. Oh, this is pretty interesting though. And this side of the wall has more shadow, so I'm gonna add more bluer color. Let's make it a little bit different blue too. Interesting. Yeah, this dark. Alright, that's nice. And I see the orangish on the highlight side of the bricks. Well, these are rock, huh? Like a little more saturated yellowish highlight. This building is pretty interesting, huh? These are not bricks. These are rocks. Big rock wall building. Well, really interesting, huh? Yeah, I add some blue colors and reddish browns. That's really neat. Okay, now go for this tree, huh? These trees, branches, it's so interesting with this brush texture. You see this? Some kind of a 3D effect. That's interesting, huh? Well, surprise. Look at this. Okay, then go for green mountains, hopefully. Oh, we have this. Okay, got some nice greens. Alright, now we go for nice blue sky. Okay, I'm gonna add layer then. Let me put one here first. Then let's see how I can change the blend mode. Let's see this one. Vivid light, linear light, pin light, linear light. Yeah, I kind of like linear light. This effect. Nice. Interesting textures. Wow. That's cool. Okay, I will smudge like this. Smudge outside. Okay, I'm gonna touch up later. Now, once more, I want to check this. Linear light is more saturated color, and well, let me see. Now I'm going to turn this one on. This pencil drawing type, change the blend mode. You see the pencil drawing type image, so even though I smudged these images, it shows so much clear outlines. Okay, now color burn. Wow. God, so nice on this rock wall building. Let's see overall image first. Color burn, linear burn, a little bit dark. Color burn, trees a little bit lighter. Overlay, well, overlay goes lighter. Luminosity, kind of interesting color. So far, color burn is more effective. Even the 50% shows more effective. As an illustration, I like this luminosity image. And as a painting, color burn is more. Let me see, a little bit up. So we see that dark lines change to luminosity. Well, see this blue color on the shadow side. That's, I think it's interesting. Okay, let's see. Wanna make some luminosity. Yeah, I kinda like around here. And this color burn, pretty nice. Okay, let me touch up this outside lines. Just touch, then fix this image as a painting, oil paint type image. Let's go first. I'm gonna work on this. How about oil paint flat? Let me clean up here. Touch up eraser tool. And at the same time, paint with the oil paint round. Same thing on here. Smudge this one. Okay, I'm job. It shows brush texture here. Yeah, there is a canvas texture too. Okay, I'm gonna smudge here too. Now, I'm going to turn on this pencil drawing type image and go darker. Then I'm going to keep this. Yeah, this is the one image, just for keep. Now, I'm going to duplicate this. Now, I saved one image, this one. Now, I'm going to change this blend mode color burn to luminosity. It's 50%. Okay, now I want to make this illustration type image. So, okay, I want this smudged image, just duplicate layer, then I want to keep this an original image. I don't know which one I'm going to use. So, now again select multiple, 1, 2, 3, merged, selected. Now I got this image fixed on this layer. Now I want to duplicate this again. Then I'm going to one of the top, this image, change blend mode to multiply, so it goes dark. Alright, then I'm gonna merge down. Now I got this image, right? I'm gonna turn these two off. Yeah, this is nice illustration image. Well, let's see if I see. Oh, light. Okay, let me see. Turn on this smudged image. Then tone down. Then I'm gonna tone down this too. Or overlay. Oh yeah. I think I kind of like this. Vivid light, maybe 70%. Soft light, hard light, linear light, just a touch. Well, hard light. I kind of like linear light. Kind of harsh, but I want to express this rock wall. That's interesting. Yeah, let me see on this. Turn this one 50% off. Then turn on this base image on to 50%. Now how it looks like. How about 30%? Then base image, tone down 25. This one goes to 25 also. So 25 on smudged image and the base image, normal. Then change this vivid light for this rock wall. Then I'm gonna get a hot here, so let's see. Now in this case I'm gonna use this luminosity layer, just vivid light, then smudge the image 25% opacity. Also this base image 25%. Now I want to make mask. Then I want to see these details here. It's too hot, so what I need to do is just have the texture here. So okay, now I'm gonna duplicate this layer. Let me see. Then bring this one up. Then opacity goes to 100. Then make mask. You can create an empty mask to get this texture here. Opacity. Then invert mask or reveal this mask here. Yeah, this is illustration type image. Well, this is it to get this. Well, I guess I'm gonna touch up some more to clean up, then finish up. Okay, I'm gonna add some color too. Pretty much some more detail. Okay, I guess that's it. Now we see some different image, like illustration, right? Especially like this rock wall. Yeah. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I made 2 different results today, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and you guys have a nice day. I really appreciate for you guys' support, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.